Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. This is the very first video, but yes, welcome to Nail Angels. This is the set that I'm going to show you how to do, y'all. I'm so sorry there is no intro right now. We working on it. But yeah, so let's get right into how I did this set. Alright, so as you can see, I already have the tips on. So right now I'm cutting them. So my technique is to get a free form, like, sticker thing, and, has measurements on it. So I would ask my client, okay, this is on one nail, like, okay, this is the length that you like. And then I would take my free form, measure it out, and then use it on my other tips. So I make sure that it's all the same length. I was clipping the sides of the nails because we don't want no wide nails, y'all. We don't like them, okay? So we like them, but we don't like them. Not for this set. Anyways, so I use my flat clippers for this, like my straight clippers. I said flat, Lord. You see me going in with my e-file, trying to blend in the tip with the nail. But you're going to see me real quick, real soon, switch out for a regular hand file. So you have two techniques. I like either or. Sometimes I feel like the hand file is just better, and then sometimes I want to use the e-file. It's completely up to you, but it works the same. I think that the hand file is a little bit better, I'm not gonna lie. These sets last about a month. But yeah, so I'm just showing you two different ways you can do it. With her, I just felt like the hand file was my mood, if that makes sense. I'm just prepping the nail for the polygel. So I use dehydrator. I do use two different primers. Young nail is the way to go, you guys. Make sure that's always one of your primers or your only primer. I don't know how you guys prefer to do it, but just make sure young nail is in that mix. And then so I'm just getting myself ready to put the polygel on. And I forgot to tell you that this is a recreation set, so you're gonna see me do it polygel style. In this set, I am definitely using the one bead method, and I will put multiple layers on it, but not to make it too thick. It's just to build the nail, the apex, but it won't be a thick nail. You never want too thick of a nail. But there are different ways that you can do it. There is a 2-bead method. I believe there's of course there's a 1-bead method, and then I believe there's a 3-bead method. I've never tried the 3-bead method out, but I definitely can do the 2-bead method for you, because I've had tried that out before too, and that works perfectly fine. So just let me know if that's something that y'all want to see. That shit I was kicking to you, had some fun on a run, though I give it to you, but baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list, trying to fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your wife. Y'all, real quick, I just want to admire the sparkle that's coming from the polygel. I am not sponsored. I wish I was, but I really do like this type of polygel sparkle. I don't remember the brand, and I'm not near it right now, like my products and stuff, but I'll definitely post it up so y'all can check them out, because their sparkle collection is actually like that. I like this one. I like their pink. I like their gold. So I definitely think you should try it out, and it's not hard to work with. right, now we're doing the marble nail. So there's so many different techniques that you can use for the marble nail. This technique that I chose to do works, but there's other ones. There's easier ones, there's harder ones. But basically I just take a glob of clear and a glob of white, and I use the end of my brush and I just smur it together and then pat, 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 pat. And then you get that marbly look. You never want to pull, you want to pat. Because when you pull, you kind of mess up the marble design. So the more you pat it in, the better. And then you can kind of pull at the end, but towards like the end of the nail on the sides to just get the remaining polygel off that you don't need. But don't pull the whole nail. It'll mess up the whole design. For the marble, you kind of just want to do a swirl motion when you're when you're taking the edge of your stick, like as you can see me doing, and trying to mix the clear and the white. You just kind of want to just do like a circle around and trying to like make it give that marble effect, if that makes sense. I hope this is helping you guys. And also, I am so sorry about the quality. I'm trying to figure everything out when it comes to angles, lighting, and just the focus of everything. So please be honest and let me know what y'all think about the quality of the video. I hope it meets your standards, y'all. It is flaky time. So the pinky is flaky, okay? We're doing some silver flakes. We adding some flavor. So I got this big container of flakes from Amazon, y'all, and I think it was only $6, and you got rose gold, gold, and silver. You guys might be hip. I was a little late. You feel me? But yeah, so what I'm doing is taking one of my old polygel brushes, as you can see, and what you want to do is kind of damp it a little bit and go in with the flakes. I normally use the flakes that are on the cap on up top because I don't need a lot. And what I did was tap with my brush. It picked it up and I tapped it right back on the nail. And this is what I got. It's so pretty, y'all. It's so freaking pretty. I'm so happy how these nails came out, by the way. Now, you always want to cap your marble. Never leave your marble uncapped. You definitely want to cap your marble. You kind of want to cap all your nails as much as possible just to add a good structure and foundation. And Makartt is really good polygel for clear because it's super clear. You would not tell that, like, you know, you have clear coat on top. It's not foggy or anything. So definitely check them out as well. And I know it's looking a little bulky, y'all, but once we file it and shape it, it's gonna come together. So I'm filing and shaping it right now, and I just have a question for y'all. Don't y'all love like the dust that comes off of the e-file? It might just be me, y'all, but I love just seeing the difference, like the dust and the shape coming together and the surface coming together. It's just the look. It's always giving for me. I don't know, but anyways, I'm gonna let y'all see this in the process, and then I'll be back. right here, I'm using Makartt rhinestone gel. That joint is amazing, y'all, okay? My sister had another set for her birthday. I didn't record it. I wish I did. But she had charms on her nails, and I used this gel, y'all. And I kid you not, her nails lasted about 5 weeks. Not one of them popped off. And when it was time to remove her nails, I was having difficulties getting it off. So this gel is definitely worth you getting and spending your money. And it's affordable. It's not cheap. No, it's not expensive. It is cheap, on the cheaper side, and it lasts a long time, and it works, okay? But yeah, so I just put a little heart rhinestone, because I just wanted a rhinestone, and I was like, I have a heart, girl. And she was like, put it on the middle, we can do that. So that's what I did, and now we're doing the top coat, and then y'all gonna see what y'all saw in the beginning, some bomb nails. Y'all, I am so happy how these came out. Like, look at them. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. This was all done with POLYGEL.